After this, there'll be one less Sonic in the world.
It's the showdown of the Sonics.
I've always wanted a snakeskin wallet.
Not everybody's making it out of this one alive.
This game is over!
Test message is transmitted at the request of the Great Falls Dispatch Center. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this test message. As part of a hazardous materials exercise at the Great Falls Fairgrounds, this test civil emergency message is being sent to test the emergency alert system. An explosion has occurred at the Montana Expo Park Fairgrounds. Emergency services are on the scene. There has been an unknown hazardous materials release. Threats outside the fairground area are minimal. Please stay away from the area. Information is available at the Four Seasons Arena. Call 454-0000. Again, this is only an exercise. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this test message.
Impossible World Tour, Monday at 2, only on Toon Disney.